Are you in a high-risk business due to financial circumstances? Do you find numbers very confusing in general? Do you sometimes feel like you're about to drown in a pond full of sharks that are gonna eat you and eat all your money?
Hi, my name is Rad, this is Ankit, and that's Quintin. Together, we are 3E Risk Management. We're here to take away all your stress.
And we provide financial risk management solution to a wide range of customers.
We help customers hedge their risk in order to limit their losses and in many cases improve profitability.
We have achieved a wide range of strengths through our previous projects, such as how to use derivatives and financial instruments like futures, forwards, options, and swaps, as well as how to create complex option structures such as bear, bull, butterfly, straddle, collar, etc. We have experience in using derivatives trading platforms such as CME Group and know when and how margin accounts work. We can commence thorough market research and research in the client company to be able to identify the risk and hedge accordingly.
So through our previous knowledge, we can easily identify what the risk to the company is, whether its price increase or decrease. Then with the research skills that we obtained previously, we can commence through market research to determine whether to hedge or not, as in some cases it's more profitable and cost effective to remain unhedged. Our risk identification and research skills then allow us to effectively choose which derivative instrument to use, whether it's futures, forward, options, or swaps.
If you are hedging in the future or considering a financial risk management approach and want to study to gain more knowledge, we would recommend that keep up to current news to understand what is happening in the market and watch finance-related movies such as Margin Call and The Big Short to understand the instruments and their practical use, and then always ask what is the nature of the business and whether it's buying or selling to identify the risk, and use futures for stable market and the option for volatile market, and then create an option structure to reduce option premium.
Thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to reach out to us, please let us know and we'll be there to help you out. Thank you.
Thank you.